How's it going, everyone? So I'm just here in my super weird bedroom. This is my bed, or my Faraday box. I'm gonna call it my Faraday box. Used to have my mattress in here. Well, one of these little mattress toppers just fits in here. And I've had to do this to protect myself from electronic weapons that are used against me by my landlord and my neighbors. Never thought I'd have to build a tinfoil box. I mean, this is like, I did this a while ago, and it's proven to be insufficient. So I'm gonna have to revamp it and also reposition it because they have positioned their electronic weapons in a way that will target the weaknesses of this bed, which is the doorway here. I did have a tinfoil door built for this, but it wasn't very good. I also had x-ray curtains over the top of it and some Faraday material that I bought off Amazon. It's like a cloth with a metal fiber in it or something like that, but helped a little bit. But actually what happens is you'll probably laugh at this. There's a collection of my stuff and a little shield that I built around the window because the neighbors next door shoot electronic weapons in that window, and it angles right down into the bed, into the door here. So I have to rotate the bed, rebuild all this stuff. There's a light. Oh yeah, my shoes are drying up there. Got my fan keeping the air going through here. I usually keep my light on there. I got my fire escape kit here because this is not a registered apartment, so that window there is not big enough. Not big enough to legally be a fire escape route. And any registered apartment needs to have at least one escape route and one primary exit. So to make this a legal apartment, they would have to put in a giant window there, like really big. It would probably have to be at least 3 feet tall, which would mean digging out a couple feet down into the ground. Anyway, that's a whole other issue. I could talk for hours on that, but right now I'm just going to rotate this so that the door is facing a direction that's not as, what do you call it? You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'll let you know how it goes. I'm going to reposition this and add some layers, and we'll see what happens. Have a good night.